Hello, namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Aquarius. Okay. Okay, so we have 10 of Wands, Knight of Swords. We need one more card, please. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Chariot. Oh, these are too many cards. We have Five of Pentacles and wow, Four of Wands. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. The Emperor, okay, and the future potential of this relationship is the Magician. So Aquarius, these are your partner's energies towards you, these are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy and this is the future potential. Now let's see the reading for Aquarius, and let's see what your partner is thinking about you. Okay, Aquarius, you feel your partner is seeing you as someone who is overburdened, okay, due to certain things. Okay, maybe you are working really hard to get what you want in life in terms of material things. Okay, with this Ten of Wands, I'm feeling that thing. Okay, and for some of you guys are, you guys are really tired. Okay, you guys are really depressed in life. That's what your person is thinking about you, Aquarius. Okay, maybe with this Knight of Swords, you wanted to out from certain things. Okay, you were desperate to out from certain things. Okay, or maybe some energies, maybe your current job, maybe your current profession, maybe your current business, maybe your current relationship, maybe your current location. It could be anything, and they are seeing that you are really depressed. Oh, sorry, you are really desperate to be out from that energy. Okay, because you do not want to hold these emotional baggages on your mind anymore. Okay, and that's why they are seeing you as someone who is taking certain action towards their mental peace, towards their emotional peace, towards their spiritual peace. Okay, so this Knight of Swords is saying to me that your person is thinking about you, that you are really desperate to be out from certain energy, certain location, certain job, relationship. It could be anything, it could be anything. Okay, and they feel that once you will be out from that energy, that thing is definitely bringing balance into your life. Okay, with this Queen of Pentacles, you are definitely going to have a peace of mind in your life in coming time. Okay, once you will be out from that Ten of Wands energy. Okay, so with this Queen of Pentacles, they see you as someone, or they are going to see you, and they would like to see you as someone who is very nurturing, very kind, very humble towards other people. Okay, who knows how to spend money wisely. Okay, they see you as someone who knows how to spend money wisely. Okay, if you guys are out from this Ten of Wands energy route now. Okay, I mean, if you guys are not into this Ten of Wands energy anymore. Then for some of you, your partner is seeing you as someone who is very mature, very kind, very humble, very down to earth person, okay, who nurture the relationship, who know what is best for this relationship, who know how to uh, run this relationship, okay. So Aquarius, that's how your partner is seeing you. That's how they feel about you. Now these are your energies towards your partner. Now let's see what you feel about your partner. Okay, with this Five of Pentacles, you feel that your partner has been dished by some people. Okay, they have been left out in cold by their own loved ones. Okay, maybe uh, there was some dispute in their family and they just cut their relationship from your partner. So that's why your partner is feeling aloof, your partner is feeling totally alone, your partner is feeling cold, okay, your partner is feeling depressed right now with this Five of Pentacles, okay. And these are all scars which their loved ones have gave them, okay. These are all their scars, okay. These are all their bad emotions, bad energies which is still with them, okay. Even though they want to you know just let go of this energy, but still this bad energy is following them. Their emotional baggage is so high, so heavy and so high that it is not letting them, I mean, these energies have occupied your person right now with the Five of Pentacles. Or I feel for some of you that they were in some kind of a bad relationship, or something bad happened with them, okay. Now they have just given up on that thing. Now it is their karma, or it is their good energies which has been torn by their loved ones, which has been damaged by their loved ones. So now they are just trying to out from that negative energy, and they have just collected their good karmas and good emotions with them, okay. And they're just moving out from that negative energy. And now you feel that they have become a very super supremely strong, I mean, super strong person they have turned, okay, with this Chariot card, okay. That's what you feel about your person, Aquarius. You see them as someone who is victorious, okay. they you feel that they want victory in every part, in every aspect of their life, okay. You also feel with this Chariot card that, I mean, you rely on them, that they are the one who can lead this relationship, okay, perfectly. And with this Four of Wands, you feel that your person, I mean, I feel that you want to marry your person with this Four of Wands, because you can see some gathering and marriage function is going on in this card. So I feel that for this Four of Wands, you really want to marry your person, because you have seen their hard work, you have seen their capabilities. Now you want them to be in your life for the rest of your life, you want them to spend their life with you, okay. Okay, and for some of you it is like a dream come true, it is like a fulfillment for some of you, this relationship, okay. And yes, I feel that you have manifested a lot about this person, and that's why they are coming into your life, okay. So these were your energies towards your partner. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. The Emperor. Okay, so with this Emperor card, I feel that both of you are showing the traits of an emperor towards each other, okay, and into this relationship as well, okay. It's, yeah, if I talk about your partner's perspective, they are being very they are behaving like an emperor, okay. They are the one who wants to provide everything in this relationship, okay. Plus they know how much, or how, I mean, how to show their emotions to you in this relationship, okay. um, and if I talk about you, your person feels you as Queen of Pentacles, and I feel that you are showing the same traits of Emperor towards your partner. So basically both of you are showing this energy as of an emperor. Okay, you both of you are leading this relationship with full compassion. Okay, and the Magician card is saying to me that whatever the desires, whatever the wishes you have within your mind, within your heart for this relationship, that desires and wishes are definitely going to fulfill in coming time with this Magician card. Okay, so as I said, that you feel that your partner is like a wish come true for you with this Four of Wands. So I feel that in future they are definitely going to give you complete happiness. They are definitely going to make this relationship a very happy relationship for you. Okay, with this Magician card. Okay, so Aquarius people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands and Four of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. We have air sign also in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords. We have Cancer in this reading with the Chariot. Okay, we have Aries in this reading with this Emperor card. Okay, so yes, that was the reading for Aquarius people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.